Hello everyone, I'm Suraj from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today, I'll be chatting with a new topic that is evolutionary process models. So let's look into the topic. Evolutionary process models. These are the models that are set of software development methodologies that focus on iterative and incremental development. These models are widely adopted in modern software engineering to address the dynamic and changing nature of software requirements. The iterative model has three categories, that is plan, design and then implement. Planning involves defining the initial requirement and scope of the project. The design involves creating a high level design of the software architecture. Implementation is developing and testing the software in smaller and manageable iterations. So there is a diagram given that shows the workflow of the iterative model. It has initial planning and finally it leads to development. In between, it carries all the required process that is required to carry on the iterative model. So starting from the initial planning, it leads to development, and in middle it involves all the processing and the materials of the iterative model. So initial process and development. Next, coming to the incremental model, it has three characteristics, that is flexibility, early deliveries, and risk mitigation. The incremental model allows for gradual and flexible development, accommodating changes in requirements over time. Early deliveries involve the software that is delivered in smaller functional increments, providing users with a working system early on. The risk mitigation is the iterative nature of the model, helps identify and address risks early in the development process. Coming to first model, the spiral model. It involves planning, risk analysis, engineering, and evaluation. Planning involves defining the project objectives, alternative, and constraints. Risk analysis involves identifying the potential risks associated with the project. Engineering involves developing the next iteration of the software, incorporating feedback from the previous cycle. Then from the previous cycle. Then come to evaluation. It involves reviewing the completed iteration and plan for the next cycle. So the diagram given here is of spiral model, which involves objectives, determination and alternative solutions. Second is identifying and resolving the risks. Third is developing next version of the product, and fourth is reviewing and planning for the next phase. So now we'll be comparing the evolutionary process models of the three models that we have seen. First is the iterative model, which focuses on incremental development with each iteration building upon the previous one. Next is the incremental model, which delivers the software in smaller functional increments, allowing for early feedback and adaptation. And the final is the spiral model, which combines elements of both iterative and incremental models, emphasizing risk analysis and evaluation. So coming to the importance of evolutionary models, it has adaptability, risk mitigation, early feedback, and continuous improvement. In the adaptability, it accommodates changing requirements and allows for iterative improvements. The risk mitigation, it basically involves identifying and it also addresses risk in early in the development process. Early feedback involves providing users with working software in increment manner, which enables the timely feedback also. Then the continuous improvement, it enables teams to learn and also enhance the software with each iteration on a regular basis. Next, coming to the applications of evolutionary process models. So here are some of the application which are given below. First is agile software development. Next is enterprise software. Third is the emerging technologies, and fourth is a user-centric design. So agile software development. Evolutionary models such as iterative and incremental models form the foundation of agile methodologies. Enterprise software, it's evolutionary models which help in developing complex enterprise level software systems that require frequent updates for keeping it smooth working. Emerging technologies involves the flexibilities of evolutionary models that allows for the rapid development and deployment of new technologies. Next is a user-centric design. So here the iterative nature of these models enables a user-centered design approach, incorporating users' feedbacks to be collected together so that we can gather feedbacks for the smooth function of the agile process models. So here is a diagram given that shows various users and the order feed in on what basis it is served to various users on basis of uh, different requirements. This model shows that how agile development is good for, and it is very advantage for many users in various applications. So this model emphasizes agile software development, that how it works efficiently and with many users, like how it helps them to perform many activities together. So this model also emphasizes that agile software development is good, and it helps many users in different various aspects. How agile software development is increasing day by day, and how it benefits other people through its various technologies and various applications. It helps many users in various application, and it also enterprises software, emerging technology, user-centric design play a major crucial role in this also. So basically, agile software development, it helps many users in various aspects. So we finally come to a conclusion that evolutionary process models have become essential in modern software engineering, enabling teams to adapt to changing requirements, mitigation risks, and deliver high quality software in a timely and incremental manner. These models continue to shape the way software is developed and deployed in a wide range of industries and applications. So this will be the final conclusion of this presentation. The contents, it is very clear that the evolution process models have play a very crucial role now in day-to-day life. So thank you one and all. I hope you understood all the topics that are covered in this presentation. Thank you.